ओके, लेट मी आस्क यू दिस, डू यू एक्चुअली नो एनी शर्मा जी का बेटा जिसमें ज़िंदगी में बहुत उखाड़ लिया हो कि अपन इतने शर्मा जी का बेटा जोक्स बना रहे? मतलब ऑनेस्टली आई नो ज़ीरो शर्मा जी के बेटा जो डूइंग वेल इन लाइफ, बट आई डू नो अंबानीज का बेटा. आई मीन आई डोंट नो देम, आई विश आई न्यू, बट आई डू नो दैट अंबानीज का बेटा डूइंग रियली माइंड ब्लोइंग थिंग्स. एक बेटा मुकेश अंबानी, उनका तो पूरा वीडियो में ही आई टेल यू व्हाट amazing things he's doing. And second beta is Anil Ambani. He is helping India strengthen the bankruptcy and insolvency laws, and at the same time lawyers को अपना resume बनाने में बड़ा help कर रहे वो. So hi guys, I'm Anushka here and welcome back to my channel. If you're probably thinking right now कि क्या हो गया इस लड़की को, पागल हो गई है क्या? You can safely assume that. I was just so frustrated making videos in the old way. I spent 6 hours today trying to shoot a video in that way and I've been procrastinating for 3 days for doing that. मुझे नहीं बनाने वैसे वीडियो, but I promise you this video will be super informative and I won't compromise on the quality of information that I'm giving to you guys. So almost a month before I'd uploaded a video on Reliance Jio and what Mukesh Ambani's vision was for Reliance Jio. Now a lot of additional information has surfaced as to what Mukesh Ambani's plans are with Reliance Industries, and in this video I'll make a follow-up strategy video to that. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, प्लीज़ वॉच दैट वीडियो. आई पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. सो फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट announcement or the most important undertaking by Reliance Jio has to be the rolling out of 5G technology in India. So अगर अभी मैं आपको एक ballpark figure दूँ, when compared to 4G, 5G is almost 100 times faster. So because of the revolutionary impact that this technology can fuel, along with the fact that because of Mukesh Ambani, India will probably get the technology at the same time the developed countries are getting, we will get access to a lot of new devices, products, technology at the same time as the rest of the world. And the most amazing part is, Mukesh Ambani claims that the entire 5G stack was created right here in India. Also in the AGM, Mukesh Ambani said that Reliance Industry is ready to export this technology to the rest of the world. They are ready to give 5G solutions to telecom infrastructure companies outside. And this statement is where things get interesting. So US and UK ने Chinese infrastructure companies को ban कर दिया है. Huawei, ZTE as well as FiberHome, ये 3 कंपनीज को बैन कर दिया गया है. एंड Huawei is actually one of the most dominant player and it was one of the most promising players to roll out the 5G technology. And with Huawei not there in the ecosystem, there is a space in the ecosystem vacant for a new player to capture. And this space is something that Reliance Jio was looking forward to fulfill. मतलब मुकेश अंबानी जी का ट्रस्ट अपने टेक्नोलॉजी में इतना ज़्यादा है कि वो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को बोल के आए कि हमारे पास 5G इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करने की टेक्नोलॉजी है और हम एक भी चाइना का चीज़ यूज़ नहीं करते. नाउ आफ्टर दिस स्टेटमेंट आई वुड रियली लाइक टू अपलॉड द करेज दैट मुकेश अंबानी हैज़, because for a company that is only 4 years old to even aspire to provide infrastructure to these developed countries with already sky high precision and quality, it is a very big deal. Now only time can tell how this entire thing will pan out and how strong this technology that Mukesh Ambani has developed in India is. Is it actually truly a very powerful 5G technology solution, or is it only 5G like or aspirational here? And this was just a big statement made by Mukesh Ambani, because let's face it, अगर मुकेश अंबानी जी अपने AGM में आके कुछ बोल रहे हैं और नेक्स्ट 2 महीने तक स्टॉक्स रैली नहीं हुए, तो वो AGM भी है क्या? तो ये हो गई बात रिलायंस जियो टेलीकॉम कंपनी की. Now let's talk more about 2 more segments of Reliance. One is Reliance Retail and the second is of course Reliance Jio Platforms. अब मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, हम लोग as a generation and even our parents right now, we have peaked in terms of laziness. Do you remember the last time you physically went to a store and bought something, even if trivial? And I know coronavirus ने बहुत ज़्यादा help कर लिया ये चीज़ को, but unless and until it's an emergency, I don't go to a store. So now Reliance already has a very strong physical network of stores, but they realize the trend is shifting towards online shopping and e-commerce, and hence they launched JioMart. Now with JioMart, they claim that they're already processing more orders than Big Basket as well as Amazon groceries. Now they want to leverage the Kirana store network that is there in India. Jio has come with a lot of services as well as solutions for these Kirana walas. They're helping them digitize and automate their entire operations, and at the same time helping them with inventory as well as sales. Now if you look at it, the entire proposition that Reliance has created with JioMart and all these Kirana walas, they are good, but this does not give them any specific advantage. There is this one strategic partnership with which Reliance made. I'll talk about this towards the end of the video, so make sure you watch it, because it is this partnership which will give JioMart an advantage, a very big advantage over all other stores. And then of course the jewel in the crown, Jio Platforms. Now all Reliance and Mukesh Ambani talks about is Jio Platforms this, Jio Platforms that, Jio Platforms going to do these things. But if you actually see it, Jio themselves have not created a single valuable product here. Like all of their products that they've indigenously created, all of them are very lackluster. If you even see My Jio app, which is supposed to be something like China's WeChat, so a place where everything happens on this one particular platform, despite having almost 380 million users of Jio, they have not got decent response for that. So we can more or less say that Reliance Jio, despite now positioning itself as a technology company, is not doing something that most technology companies are really good at. That is make amazing products that your customers love and keep doing it repeatedly. But Mukesh Ambani is no fool to not realize that. He recognizes this problem, and hence he has been very active in acquiring a lot of companies. And on top of that, he has created an entire value chain, from providing the technology to providing the services, that he is bound to benefit of this digital transformation that is going to happen eventually in India. So now the question is still, when will Jio sustain out of these acquisitions, and can it actually transform itself to be a true technology company which does innovation at a very fast pace? Now इतना सारा बोल तो दिया मैंने, will be able to justify the valuation and stuff, but if you see, बहुत बड़े बड़े and समझदार लोगों ने मतलब लिटरली डेस्परेट हो गए थे जियो प्लेटफॉर्म्स में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए। फोमो हो गया था पूरे वर्ल्ड के पी, सॉवरेन फंड्स, ये टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज में कि हमें जियो प्लेटफॉर्म का एक पार्ट चाहिए। फेसबुक, गूगल एज वेल एज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ऑल दीज 3 टेक कंपनीज पार्टनरिंग विद अ सिंगल कंपनी is extremely rare. I mean, I could even argue that Jio is the only company which has achieved this feat. So चलो देखते हैं what exactly these strategic partnerships mean for these technology companies with Reliance Jio. So Facebook has invested a total of 43,000 crores into Jio Platforms for a stake of 9.99%. So now why does Facebook want to partner with Reliance Jio Platforms? Now, we all know Facebook owns WhatsApp, and WhatsApp has a total of 400 million users in India. But despite of this, Facebook has not been able to earn a single rupee from WhatsApp in India. And they did try to launch WhatsApp Pay, which is a payments app, but 2 साल से regulator ने उसको approval ही नहीं दिया है. So basically अभी मार्क ज़करबर्ग को पता चल गया है कि इंडिया में काम करना है तो रिलायंस जियो के साथ ही काम कर सकते हो, and hence they have partnered with Reliance Jio so that they can monetize WhatsApp here in India. Now remember I said that there is one strategic partnership which will actually give JioMart a very big advantage. It is this partnership. So now WhatsApp will be integrated with JioMart's platform. So from placing your orders to getting your delivery to all customer service that is required, all of that can be done through the WhatsApp interface. So basically हमारा काम बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान हो गया है, क्योंकि अभी जब भी हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें बोलेंगे कुछ सामान लाने को, वी कैन जस्ट टेल देम मम्मा प्लीज़ व्हाट्सएप कर दो ना उन्हें, और उनके पास अपना यूजुअल डिफेंस कि मुझे वो यूज़ करना आता भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो पूरे दिन व्हाट्सएप पे वैसे ही होते हैं. ओके सॉरी फॉर द लेम जोक, बट आई वाज एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट हियर दैट बिकॉज WhatsApp is so easy and because even our grandparents use WhatsApp on a daily basis now, ordering via WhatsApp and the actual potential that this partnership holds is immense. So now let's talk about the next partnership, which was with Google. Google invested a total of 33,000 crores into Jio Platforms for a total of 7.77% stake. Now this partnership is literally an upgrade for Jio. So there are a total of 350 million feature phone users in India. फीचर फोन्स या तो डब्बा फोन्स जिसपे इंटरनेट भी नहीं चलता और चलता हो तो भी 2G इंटरनेट से ज़्यादा नहीं चलता. एंड जियो वांट्स टू टारगेट दिस मार्केट एंड गिव देम स्मार्टफोन सो दैट दे कैन यूज जियो टेलीकॉम्स 4G as well as 5G services eventually. And they already have launched a couple of phones in this segment, but we know the reality. The phones were very average, they had so many bugs and they would crash so often. Those phones were supported by Kai operating system, and it clearly did not work out for Reliance Jio, and hence they partnered with Google for this. Google has now announced that it is going to create an optimized Android operating software for these entry-level phones. So hence the upgrade from Kai OS to a customized operating system by Google Android. Along with this, Jio also has a strategic partnership with Microsoft. Now Jio is providing a lot of services to small and medium enterprises. So these solutions and services that Jio is providing, they are going to create a lot of data, and all this data is going to be stored on Microsoft Azure's cloud storage. And with that, I've come to the end of this video. There are a lot of overly aspirational projects that Mukesh Ambani has undertaken, which will be incredibly difficult and challenging for him to execute. But if he does it, शर्मा जी के बेटे से compare मत करो, क्योंकि वो सब नालायक हो चुके हैं. अंबानी के बेटे से compare करो. I know, very lame. And also thanks for putting up with me in this video. I think it was just a day off where I didn't feel like shooting my normal videos. अगर आपने अभी तक देख लिया है, make sure you like it, you share it with all your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. If you're on Instagram, make sure you follow me because I make some amazing content. I'm telling that to myself till I eventually reach there. But I make some amazing content on businesses, startup, as well as their strategy. Yeah.